You're playing the man.
Yes.
Put your hand down. Hand down. Ready? Men, grab her hand. Do it again. Hand down. Ready? Men, grab. Alright, do it again. Ready? Yeah, no, he's gonna just grab. Grab. Alright, ready? Men, back away. Back away. Step up, grab. Men, back away. Step up, grab.
Yeah.
No. And if you have to go try to find it, you gotta go and try to find it, okay? Alright, go again, ready, and grab. Alright? Now you might do 1, 2. Ready, and put your hand up and grab. Alright? You might do 1, 2, that's up to you. Okay, now, don't bring it so high. Ready? Bring one hand up right here and the other one down. Okay? So, ready and grab. Now, you see how I had to bend and all that? No matter what happens, don't have to worry about anything else, but your chest gotta be up on it. Okay? Ready? Grab. Yeah, your chest. Not all this, but your chest. Don't do the praise the Lord saying. Okay, keep your butts right. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't be, okay, can't do nothing then. Alright? So again, you gotta get it. Ready? Grab.
Yeah.
Ready? Put your hand down. Ready? Grab. You're not grabbing it.